Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this very nice exponential problem in which we are given 2024 raised to power 2 minus x plus 2024 raised to power 2 plus x equals to 2 times 2024 raised to power 2. We can write this expression as 2024 raised to power 2 times 2024 raised to power minus x plus 2024 raised to power 2 times 2024 raised to power x equals to 2 times 2024 raised to power 2. Now divide the whole equation by 2024 raised to power 2. So we get 2024 raised to power minus x plus 2024 raised to power x equals to 2. Now let a equals to 2024 raised to power x. So the above equation becomes a plus a raised to power minus 1 equals to 2, which will become a plus 1 over a equals to 2. Now take LCM, we get a square plus 1 divided by a equals to 2. And solving this, we get a square plus 1 equals to 2a. Now bring this 2a to the left hand side. We get a square minus 2a plus 1 equals to 0. This will become a minus 1 raised to power 2 equals to 0. And we know a power can only be 0 if its base is 0. So a minus 1 equals to 0. Hence, the value of a is equal to 1. Also, earlier we have assumed that a is 2024 raised to power x. So 2024 raised to power x equals to 1, and 1 can be written as 2024 raised to power 0. So since their bases are same, their power will also be equal. So x equals to 0. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.